So when it scans, see, when it's scanned perfectly, it doesn't solve. See? I'm worried. Okay, if I download the program, it doesn't work. So what's causing this? I tried it in the dark, but still, it doesn't work. See, it's flipping and scanning perfectly, but, see? It wouldn't want to solve. I'm wondering why. So that's my problem. Thanks for watching.